Hello and welcome, my name is Patrick Allen of City Hydraulic in Colville, and for 2018 we'll be building two more semi-low loader trailers with 95 ton metre cranes mounted on their neck. Having built two of these trailers back in 2016 and they've been out in service now without issue, we feel like we've built a very capable product. And so we've decided to build two more for 2018. The 2018 specification will feature twist locks for a 20-foot ISO container, flashing beacons on the end of the stabilizer arms, hydraulic sequence valves for the rotation of the hydraulic stabilizer leg to get rid of all of the manual levers, etc. Full lighting for the deck and on the crane so the crane can be used for night work. The loading ramps offer quick release hydraulics and electrical connections so they can be removed within a few minutes using the crane itself, and they can be stowed on the headboard or they can be left back at base. The hydraulic ramps to the rear there are powered by the Hatz power pack on the headboard, the old silent pack, the air-cooled traditional Hatz engine, which will be going out of fashion for 2019 as all the rules and regulations have changed, leaving us to use a water-cooled turbocharged engine instead, which is the future allegedly. The crane itself is a Pesci, which is the same company as Cotma, who are synonymous in the industry for building big knuckle boom cranes. I think 350 ton meters is one of the biggest they build at the minute. There the crane's extending. It's got a recirculation valve in there so that it extends at high speed, but I don't really see the point of that personally, but they've all the Italian cranes seem to have them. Slew ring motors, twin slew ring motors, huge torque on the rotational side of it, and a plain bearing, which I quite like. They're using plain bearings instead of the old-fashioned twin ring taper roller bearings that used to get water ingress and would fail and cost many thousands to repair. The modern one's just on a Teflon plain bearing, which lasts many years as long as it's greased. The availability of parts for these cranes is very good. Also, the cost is very remarkably low actually compared to some of the other Italian cranes on the market. The experience with spares I've had so far, they've been delivered very fast and very affordable. And now the reasons why we've mounted this crane onto this semi-low loader. A crane of this size can only go onto two vehicles in the commercial world, which would be an 8x4 or 8x2 rigid, high drawbar spec, or a trailer, which allows us to carry 17 tons and still remain within construction and use. And just remember, you can't use crane vehicles in heavy haulage spec STGO, because one of the major rules of STGO is that you can't have an abnormally heavy vehicle carrying what's considered to be a normal load. And finally, if you like what you see, please feel free to give me a call anytime on the number at the end of this video, and I'll give you as much information as I can, or we could even arrange a demo.